Around 1 lakh employees and officers of nationalized private and foreign banks will go on a nationwide two-day strike beginning today. The strike call has been given by the United Forum of Bank Unions, which is representing 9 unions. The bank employees have been demanding revision in their wages since November 2012. As a result, commercial transactions, foreign exchange operations and clearing of checks will take a big hit. Viren Gunawat, in fact, is joining us live from Mumbai this morning on the bank unions, which have decided to now go on a two-day strike beginning today. This certainly is going to have a major impact on transactions and operations. Viren, any contingency measures that have been taken by the banks in the meantime?
Ruchika, normally these are the employees who do such strikes, I think, number of times in a year. And in fact, the management has decided to have the backup support for the most of the customers here. The checks would not be transacted, they would be accepted in most of the places, but definitely the next 2 days, starting from today and tomorrow, would be a bad day for the customers of all the public sector banks, including some of the foreign banks and some of the private banks. ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, Axis Bank, these banks are not the part of a strike, so the operation would not get affected in these banks, but definitely the State Bank of India, RBI and most of the other public sector banks, there would be not a single employee would be working there. So the money market, treasury market, the financial market, even the stock market, all the transaction would get affected. It would come on hold. We can't normally it's not a loss. It's quite a hold, and after 2 days the transaction will get settled down. So for next 2 days it would be financially everything will come on hold. The second important part is that ATM machines. We spoke to some of the employees. They had said that the cash has been deposited in this ATM machine, and if it gets over, maybe throughout the day there would be a number of queues in these public sector banks ATM machines, then that would not be deposited again today or tomorrow. So for the customers and for the viewers who are the customers of these public sector banks, they need to save their money for next 2 days. If they have a problem, they won't get money in these ATM machines. That is very important. So now we have to see the overall issue is the salary. The wage revision is a major issue.
Right.
That these employees want 20% hike in their increment, and the Indian Bank Association are offering 10%, and that's what is the fight between 10%, 20% hike, and the impact would be on the customer and the financial market, and definitely on the Indian economy for next 2 days.